Question number 1. Where was the SCO Summit 2025 held? Answer is Tianjin. Question number 2. Which country hosted the 2025 SCO Summit? Answer is C. China. Question number 3. How many actual member states are in SCO as of 2025? Answer is B. 10. Question number 4. Which new full member country joined the SCO in 2025? Answer is C. Belarus. Question number 5. Which other country gained partner dialogue status at the 2025 summit? Answer is A. Laos. Question number 6. What was the theme of the SCO Summit 2025? Answer is B. Upholding the Shanghai Spirit SCO on the move. Question number 7. Which main document was adopted at the summit? Answer is B. Tianjin Declaration. Question number 8. The SCO new long-term economic plan approved at the summit runs until which year? Answer is B. 2035. Question number 9. The 2025 summit launched which new financial institution? Answer is B. SCO Development Bank. Question number 10. How many partners, observe, dialogue and partner states does the SCO have after the 2025 summit? Answer is C. 17. Question number 11. India's Prime Minister's 2025 SCO address highlighted which diplomatic vision? Answer is C. One Earth, One Family, One Future. Question number 12. Which two countries' leaders conducted a major bilateral meeting at the summit after several years? Answer is B. India, China. Question number 13. The SCO development strategy until 2035 aims to. Answer is B. Development multipolar world foster regional integration. Question number 14. Which area did the new SCO centers focus on? Answer is B. Security, crime, drugs, cyber. Question number 15. Which city was named the SCO Tourist and Cultural Capital for 2025-26? Answer is B. Cholpon Atta. Question number 16. The summit called for world reforms in which body? Answer is B. United Nations. Question number 17. Which attack in India received specific condemnation in the 2025 Tianjin Declaration? Answer is C. Pahalgam 2025. Question number 18. Which country pledged $280 million in free aid to member states in 2025? Answer is C. China. Question number 19. Which global sector did the summit propose a strategy until 2030 for cooperation? Answer is A. Energy. Question number 20. Kolpon Eta is located in. Answer is A. Kyrgyzstan. Question number 21. Which principle did the SCO summit reaffirm for international relationships? Answer is B. Multipolar cooperation. Question number 22. The summit called for support of a fair and open system in. Answer is B. Multilateral trade. Question number 23. The summit opposed unilateral coercive measures except those sanctioned by. Answer is A. United Nations and WTO. Question number 24. Which regional security structure is part of the SCO for combating terrorism? Answer is B. RATS, Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. Question number 25. A key new area of educational partnership mentioned at the summit. Answer is B. Higher and technical education, AI. Question number 26. Which summit goal was targeted by the cooperation program 2026 to 2030? Answer is A. Countering extremist ideology. Question number 27. The Indian Prime Minister visit in 2025 was his first trip to China in. Answer is C. 7 years. Question number 28. What new status did the SCO receive in CIS as per the 2025 summit? Answer is A. Observer status. Question number 29. Which technology sector received emphasis for the greater cooperation? Answer is B. Artificial intelligence. Question number 30. In the context of 2025, the SCO family of nations now members. Answer is C. 27. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.